to use this as an opportunity to see if you had to pick your favorite application, IoT application for India, what would that be?
Shall I go?
Yeah, why don't you start?
Hello.
Yeah. Well, there are 3 or 4 that
Let's pick one. Let's pick one and explore that in some detail.
Sure,
That's okay.
sure. So, what I go back to my initial area of agriculture. So, I feel we should definitely do something about the agriculture sector in India, and in Tata we are doing something there. In fact, Shekhar mentioned it. One area which I am working on right now is drone based systems for agriculture. So, we are doing some pilots right now in around November. We will be deploying them also in Karnataka.
What do these drones do?
Yeah, so these drones do two major areas. One is pesticide spraying using drone technology, which has been there in other parts of the world, but in India it's been done for, that's one. The second one is soil management and nutrient management using IoT. So both these areas we are working with our company called Rallis, which is a large scale supplier of pesticides and things, where we are developing a service around drone based pesticides for farmers or groups of farmers or even hamlets, where we say that, okay, if you believe it or not, there aren't enough people in the rural areas who actually are available to spray pesticides, because the opportunities are much better in the urban areas.
So Ganesh, in India the farms tend to be fairly small, right? There's a lot of fragmentation.
Absolutely.
And what you grow in one farm might be different from the other farm. So the pesticides might also be different. So how do you overcome that challenge with drones?
So with drones, so basically what we're doing is we are looking at groups of farmers.
Okay.
It's like a cooperative that we are creating who take this drone as a service.
Okay.
And then the drones are programmed depending on GPS locations and maps, and it goes and delivers a certain amount of pesticide at a certain amount of time. Idea being that you could share this resource across different farmers, even they are small size. Typically the average size is about 5 acres. And we are looking at paddy right now, and paddy tends to be a contiguous field set. There is a challenge of if it's paddy or if it is maize or sorghum. It's not that, it's all paddy today. Or there are tea estates. So tea estates are very hilly, and you can't spray pesticides because you got to have people lugging these heavy 50 kg thing. So what we are doing is building these drone applications where we are spraying pesticide based on certain conditions of day, time, moisture, light, requirements of the crop. We are integrating video into this, so we monitor the state of the plant before and after. We also monitor the state of the soil before and after. And we also have integrated an advisory into this through one of TCS's platforms, where we have what's called M-Krishi, where this information is fed back via real time, or at least near real time, back to the farmer and also to an advisor. So between the farmer and the advisor, they're able to see the state of this plant before pesticide spraying, after pesticide spraying, any bugs are there, what is the soil content. So it's a full system that we are building right now.
And this would increase the productivity by 10-20%?
Yeah, the aim is to increase productivity by 4x.
4x.